my assistant Delphine. This is the recap of the Salsa Basics. We're on the breakaway escape, so hopefully you'll take back from what we've talked about in the class and implement it in your dancing to make it better. First thing we want to remember is to emphasize the first beat of every 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with your feet and your steps being really clear. So the first thing we did was a Salsa Basic, which was emphasizing that first beat when you change direction. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hit that step. 5, 6, 7. That was the Salsa Basic. Forward and back, 2 halves. The second step was 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That was the Salsa Side Basic. And I'll show you a little bit of this. 1, 2, 3. Keeping the steps small underneath your body, using the ball and the heel, the ball and the heel. The third thing we did was the open break, which is for the men, to understand, to warn the ladies that they're going to turn her. So the first 4 beats will be a back break for the men. The ladies are normal. And then the second 4 beats, which is the second back step, will be the turn. So if I do it off of a basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, then I'm going to do 2 back breaks. I'm going to keep my hand low. 1, 2, 3. Hold that 4. Ladies can put all her weight on that foot. On her right foot, she's going to cross forward with her right foot. And I'm going to back break again on 5, 6, 7. Remembering to do the motion of the turn for the lady. Do not allow the lady to turn herself. So now I'll do that without talking. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 8. Now my open break. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And the last thing we did was the men doing their spin also. The men will spin off their forward break. So I will do 1, 2, 3, let go, 5, 6, 7. As the lady completes her back step, I will turn the forward step, keeping my feet right in front of each other, my right foot on the spot, and dance around it, and complete my basic 5, 6, 7. So if I put this all together in a sequence, this is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, hit 5, 6. Side basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Now here we go with our turns. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let go of the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. And now I'm going to turn as a leader. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.